How to change Amazon Prime password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change your Amazon Prime password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Changing your Amazon Prime password means changing the password for your whole Amazon account, not only for Prime. It is very simple. Now you can do this process using both the Amazon app as well as the Prime Video application. In this case, since it's talking about Prime, I'm going to open the Prime Video application here. Once you open the Prime Video, you're going to see this type of interface where you need to tap the profile icon from the top right hand side. Again, tap the gear icon that you can find from the top right and you're going to land on this page. We have to simply go to this option known as manage account. Once you go to the manage account option over here, let me just come back, just tap on manage account here. Over here you'll find this option known as edit on Amazon. So tap on edit on Amazon application here. It'll ask you to verify with your password currently if it's doing it for the first time, or you'll find this option called password and then you'll find the edit button next to it. You want to make sure to just tap the edit button right over here. Once you tap the edit button, all you have to do is simply make sure to enter your current password. Once you've entered your current password, you can go on about entering the new password that you would like to change to, re-enter them, tap on save changes, and your password will be successfully saved. This way you can change the Amazon Prime password. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.